Well, good morning, friends. It is Running Kimono, and we have some curbside pickup deals for those of you that love to shop at home or the convenience of your desktop, laptop, or cell phone. So the curbside deals, this is what we're specifically looking at in this video. Remember, when you get to the store, do not check in and no register rewards for curbside deals. Let's keep that in mind. Now, yesterday I put this video up, so that's why the curbside magic was not live for you guys. They are going to be doing away with the Big Book of Savings as of the 24th of September. Check out this video linked at the very end. Tons of very pertinent information for all of you Walgreens warriors that are very dedicated shoppers. You're going to want to check that out. Also in the news, 70% off of Fun in the Sun summer merchandise. Some are predicting that next Tuesday it'll get like 80%. Although as per this sign, I think it might be the 24th. But my crystal ball might be a bit foggy, but 70% off if anything catches your eye, the Fun in the Sun merchandise. Okay, let's hop right into these curbside deals. We're going to look at curbside deal number 1. We're going to be grabbing 2 of the Nivea men's lotions for $15.58, and then this little like body cream for $6.99. I believe it's a month-long promotion to spend $20. Get back 10. That's what we're trying to aim for. So if you need lotions and potions, this might be the deal for you. Looking at the basket, we're at a total of $22.57. Curbside pickup, free shipping, a little bit of disgusting tax. So we're getting $10 back in Walgreens cash. As this is a spend booster, spend 20 to get back 10. Do not use any Walgreens cash. Just use your debit credit card to pay down the balance. And then IBOTTA is giving back $1.75 per, so you're going to get back $3.50. The final price point is $9.07 for the 3 or $3.02 each. Now, if your store will not give you a receipt, it's a bunch of trouble. Obviously, this isn't the deal for you. But if you can still get a receipt at your store, do not check in. This deal should be fine for you to get some inexpensive Nivea lotion. Curbside deal number 2. We're going to be grabbing 1 candy bar and 3 of the Garnier Fructis shampoos, conditioners. If you want to mix and match it, or if you're boring like me, just grab 3 in a basket for $9.87. As you can see, we make the cap of $10 with this purchase. Now, these are the digital coupons that you need to load that include a 5 off of 3. This is valid for a couple of weeks as well. Plus this 75-cent for the candy. So the basket is $10.87. We have free curbside pickup. $5.75 is melting off. You know what I would do here, guys, is use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay 71 cents. If you like that Garnier shampoo, the Garnier Fructis, this is maybe a great deal for you. Easy peasy, just some cheap shampoo for the old stockpile. Curbside deal number 3. We're going to be grabbing 5 bags of M&Ms. And then 1 of the Aveeno body washes for $5.99. So if you want something sweet and a beautiful body wash, this is the deal pour vous. These are the digital coupons that you need to load that include this $3 off. Look at that expiry date, October the 7th. Wow. And then we have $1.75 off of the 3 M&M, Snickers, Twix. So if you don't like M&Ms, mix and match. Plus we have a little 50-center. Whenever you're putting together a gift or whatever, I usually like to throw in some candy as well. Our basket was $10.99 for the 1 body wash and the candy. Subtracting $5.25 of digital coupons, you're paying $6.10. So I would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.10. I know there was an Ibotta rebate for the Aveeno. It's since vanished on my app. Maybe you have it. But look at the price in store in comparison to the curbside price. That is $3 of savings to go this way. If Aveeno is your favorite body wash, definitely the way to get it on the cheap this week. And keep checking Ibotta. Maybe it'll show up again. Okay, curbside deal number 4. We're going to be grabbing 1 of my Walgreens Epsom salts because some things are quite predictable with me. And then along with 1 of those Aveeno body washes. So this basket is called Spa Day for me. So we're going to load the $1.50 for the Epsom salt. I mean, Dr. Teal's is almost just under $8, so if you need salt, this is a good one, along with our best friend, the $3 coupon. Looking at the overall basket for this bathing basket, it's $10.98, free curbside pickup, $4.50 is melting off right there. You're paying $7.14. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay $2.14 for this basket. You get a beautiful Aveeno and some salts, a little bit of magic and razzle dazzle, and especially if you love Aveeno body wash. Did post this yesterday on my community tab, but guys, the coupons have since expired. There was either a 4 off a 2 or a $2. These puffs are 2 for $10. It's usually $7.49 for 3 of these boxes. It must be made out of gold. Putting 2 of those in a basket using $10 of Walgreens cash, you're paying down the tax. With back to school, this is an item that's on many, many school lists for little kiddos. So that might be a good deal pour vous or not. You decide. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.